Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. We're meeting again today for a new video in which we're going to talk about let and const. So let and const are two keywords that you're going to see quite often in this course, and especially const. Let and const are different ways of creating variables. I think you already know var. Var creates variables in JavaScript. Now the thing is that some variables never change. They're what we call constants. Technically they are just variables because JavaScript only knows var. With ES6, a version of JavaScript, two different keywords have been introduced. They are let and const. var still works, but you are strongly encouraged to use let and const. In fact, let is so to speak the new var. You use it for variable values. But the most important solution here is to use let if you want to create a variable that has variable values, and const if you plan to create a constant value, something that you assign only once and never change. And this is the case more often than you think. So in this course, you'll never see var. You will only see let and const, and especially const. So it shouldn't confuse you. It's just the same as var, but in a more modern way. And in the case of const, although it's clearly stated, it's never going to get a new value. Now, since this is always a little bit clearer in practice, let's take a look at it. For that, it's better to use jsbin.com. It's another web editor that makes it easy to enter JavaScript and use some console output. Disable the HTML and the output up there, and instead enable JavaScript and the console. It's very simple to do it. You have HTML and JavaScript, you just have to click on the little HTML and it won't be there anymore. And you can leave the JavaScript as it is. Now that you have activated JavaScript, then you have the console on the right, we can start. From here, we will be able to create a variable. We will be able to create our little piece of code. We will write var, my name, with capital N, it's very important, equal, and we will write my first name, Mathieu, with capital M. And of course, don't forget the semicolon. Then, underneath, we will write console.log, my name, always with capital N, don't forget that. And if we press run, it will write Mathieu here, it will write what has been put here. And of course, we can also do my name, equal Mathieu, semicolon, and write the same console log, but imagine we will mark Lucy, so I deleted everything. And if we put Lucy with Mathieu, it will give us Mathieu, Lucy here. So we can write in different ways. Now, if we switch the var here for let, and we delete it and put run again, it still works, as you can see. It still works, it shows Mathieu and Lucy. But on the other hand, if I switch and I want to put const, it will display an error message, because we are trying to reassign a constant variable, which is kind of a strange name. You can say that it should never get a new value, and if you write some code that you reassign, you get the error and therefore a chance to improve your code. I hope you understood this little course on let and const. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.